What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be taking care of these hedges behind me. You can see it's quite overgrown, so we're going to be taking those down, and I'll be reviewing a battery powered hedge trimmer. I think you're going to like it, so let's get started. All right, it's a bit of a hot mess. I could definitely take care of this with the old, scissor-like ones, but we're going to be using an actual battery-powered hedge trimmer. It's a bit of a problem. You can see we've got growth coming through the fence and also up on the meter there, and that's a problem, especially if it's venting or blocking a vent down there. So we're going to round this out, smooth it out, cut it out, and that's my plan of attack here. So let's roll. And my little buddy's going to come out and watch me. So first, let's get out the product that I'm going to be reviewing and using. This is a battery-powered Greenworks is the brand, 24-volt lithium. This is what it looks like. Let's get it opened and give you a visual tour and make sure everything arrived intact. And we'll get it booted up for you, charged up, and then bring it outside. You'll get to see it in action. Okay, I've got everything out of here. Looks like we've got the charger and heavy duty. Feels plastic, not super heavy, but not super light, somewhere in the middle. There's the terminals, and this looks like the battery, obviously. Probably slide it on like that and plug it in. As far as the actual trimmer, I'll give you, this is what it's all about right here. Let's see what it looks like. Heavy, not too bad. Actually pretty lightweight, but not on the cheap side. Let's look at the teeth here. Whoa, look out. And this piece probably just slides off. Yep, like that. So we'll get rid of that. I don't think we need that, or we can put it, yeah, I'm gonna keep that because I wanna store it in a way that somebody doesn't walk by and I have kiddos, so. But here's the blades. What do you think? Nice design, I think. Well balanced. So I'm gonna charge this up and then we'll bring it outside. By the way, welcome to the channel. Do lots of home projects around the house, saving you time and money. Click that subscribe button. I put out videos regularly. Like this video and share this with somebody that you know. And if you want to make your own YouTube channel and turn your hobbies into real cash every month, check out my course. You can click the link in the description below. All right, we've got the battery all charged up here, so we'll go ahead and put this on. And once the battery is in, you got to be careful because it's now locked and loaded. So you should probably never touch the blade, right? At this point would be a bad idea. So let's see how this works. I think maybe you push that in. Oh, yeah, like that. Okay. And by the way, you'll see this button right here. This is, if you press it, you can actually rotate the handle left and right for better angling and grip. Can you see that? So that's kind of a nice feature. So a little thumb trigger here, and then you'll move my arm here. So thumb, and then this. And you can see the blade start to move. So extremely dangerous. So keep this away from kiddos. Make sure the guard is on it when you're not using it. And let's head out to the hedge right now. Okay, here we are. We've got things locked and loaded, ready to go. And let's see how it takes down this. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Okay, I like that. Maybe a different angle here. All right, here we go. One-handed operation. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. Okay, I'll put that down. That's pretty nice. You can see here, it's handling the little ones pretty easily. One pass and it knocks it down nice and even. And it's a 22-inch blade, so it's got some pretty good reach. Obviously, to get way back there, I might need to come around to this side and whatnot. And I want to make sure I don't nick the house, but that should be pretty simple to do. I'm happy with that so far. And let's see if the battery can last to do all of this. Let's get back here. You can see it was physically kind of a tight space to work with, and I had to be careful that the blade was clear of the blade in terms of my fingers or the house or the screen at all times. But for the most part, it handled this really easily. And you can see we even got kind of thick. I mean, compared to my finger here, it knocked down, you know, that diameter with one pass. Pretty clean cuts on some, and yeah, no issues at all. And you can see I've got a nice path now that backs up the bushes, kind of back. The hedge doesn't touch the wall or the side of the house, which is obviously what we want. And there's some gas lines down there. I had to be real careful mowing around or trimming around. You can see it way down there. Zoom in, but no issues at all. So just, I think, generally be careful. Hire out if you're not comfortable with that. Hire a professional if you can't handle it yourself. You don't want to put yourself in any dangerous situation. But I have no idea what the battery life is, but it took down, you know, I took a little bit, quite a bit here. Should do another pass right there, but and then took a little bit off, and all the shavings are kind of in here. So probably do that again. So 24 volt here, let's see. Seem to handle a bush this size without any issue in terms of size and battery life. So this is overall a good buy, I think. I'm gonna finish up here and then put my stamp of approval on it. All right, I think we're good. We still have some life in it. So yeah, holding up pretty well. You're supposed to oil the blade when you're done. So I'll probably put a little oil on that. But it seems to be getting the job done, well made. Can't beat the price point. And we'll call this good. Hopefully this has helped you out.